how to change server on Apex Legends PS4. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can change the server region on Apex Legends for PS4. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is exit out of the game fully. Over here, make sure that you back out and close the game completely on your console. After that, boot up the game again. Then, when you reach the home screen, make sure not to skip past it and let everything play through. Over here, in the bottom left corner, you will see your current data center along with the button to open the data center menu. After that, press the indicated button to open the menu. Then, scroll through the available servers, check their ping and packet loss, and select the one you want to join. By default, the game places you on the best server, but you can manually select a different one. Once you've chosen your desired server, the game will return you to the main screen. Then press X or on your controller to rejoin Apex Legends and start playing on the new server region. So that's how you can change the server on Apex Legends PS4. That's all for this video.